family adventures.
Next weekend we have our 2 big old water slides going out, the 2 big boys. So today we are gonna spend the day cleaning and scrubbing, power washing, and the kids, getting them ready to go. The kids also want to have fun, so what better way than to clean them than to let the kids throw some baby soap on them and have fun. So we're gonna kind of run you through setting up process, cleaning process, and rolling up process, as well as the kids having fun and
us getting things done.
Getting dirty and getting sweaty. It's a hot day. Enjoy. Today we're gonna be cleaning our 2 big water slides. They are going out next weekend, so we have some free time, so we're gonna set them up, maybe let the kids play on them a little bit, clean them up and roll them back up. Stay tuned. So, as you can see, it's not real dirty. It's not real dirty. We put tarps down when we deliver them, but it is still super wet. I mean, there's some gunk in there still, but that wetness is what we gotta blow these things up, and we gotta air dry them really good, and then we go over them with a nice scented soap and try to make them smell good. Obviously we try to dry them out. I mean, it's a good sunshiny day today, but that's what we're gonna be doing. Stay tuned and we'll show you how this is done. So we always start our cleanings we always power spray them, even if they need it or don't need it. So we power spray. We feel like that gets a lot of the gunk off, a lot of the stuff you can't see. So we start by power spraying, and then I'm gonna come in behind her with some soap. We're gonna get it good and soapy, but being that we power spray, this gets filled up with water. But you can see there's a lot of stuff in here. So this is what takes the most work, is this, I mean, all this stuff, and then it fills up with water, but we gotta get the water vacuum and vacuum it all out. First power spray, then soap, and then we work on the pool area, which everything will, run down to, obviously, from the slide. Stay tuned. We really try to clean all of it and as much as we can, but we really emphasize on the points of where people will be touching. So for instance, this ladder, like everybody will climb up and down this ladder. So we will really soap and power wash the crap out of this ladder. I mean, obviously they slide down and we'll get the slides too, and then we'll really emphasize getting the out areas. I mean, we're really gonna soap and try to disinfect where people are the most. So like upstairs, where people kind of hang out up there, that'll get done. But we really try to get as much as we can and disinfect and clean as much as we can, because there is a lot of germs that wrap up in this. So we just cleaned the ladder and the top. We're kind of rinsing the soap off a little bit. It was pretty dirty up there. Just normal wear and tear. I mean, mud from climbing up the ladder. Nothing major, but still got to get done. So we're rinsing the soap off, and then it'll be time to let it dry and start on this pool section. So we just got through soaping and spraying the pool. We drained most of it. We had to open up this front baffle down here and let air come out because these things are pretty powerful. And then we stepped on one side over there and let most of the water drain out. There's still quite a bit of water in here, but now we're gonna let it dry, and then we're gonna get the vacuum and get all this excess water vacuumed out and maybe whatever grass or dirt's left. And then we're gonna roll it up and she'll be ready for delivery next weekend. So it's nothing unnormal to find all kinds of crazy stuff in here, but I mean, this is off of people's beads of their bracelet or necklace or something, but we'll find earrings, bracelets, you know, whatever.
Now we are just vacuuming out all of the excess water, dirt, leaves, grass, whatever may still be in this pool. And then after that, just let the rest of it dry all up, and then we're good to go.
So this one is pretty filthy. It's pretty slimy and grimy. So we're gonna fill it up, and the kids wanted to play in one and slide, so we're gonna fill it up. We're gonna throw some baby soap on it and let them have a blast playing in it for a while. Plus it'll help us on the cleanup, help get all this stuff off of it. And then we'll power wash, soap, and let it dry. Got our little helper out here cleaning, scrubbing away on all that dirty, icky stuff. Isn't that right, Ava? None of our slides go out dirty, do they? You gonna help, buddy?
Yeah. Tell me when.
Go! Go!
Bye.
Go! Okay. All right, we are gonna be in the dry down process. We are taking all the water out of the pool, and we're gonna start power washing and scrubbing on this, and then we'll vacuum all the water up. We'll blow this thing back up and let her dry, and then roll up time. We lay tarps down underneath all of our inflatables when we take them out wet. So, of course, the tarps get dirty too. So we power wash them as well. Try to get it as clean as possible for the next delivery.